morning. Today is June 24, 2021 and today I'm going to share you my morning skincare routine. Ayan, kakaligo ko lang actually. And nagpa-dry na ako ng hair, nag-blow dry lang ako ng hair. And I'm going to show you my skincare routine. Ayan, 4-step lang siya guys. It's very simple. And ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga gagamitin ko. And all of these products are from YesStyle. Ayan, I'm going to share you everything step by step para it's much more easier for you to understand kung ano yung dapat nating ilalagay sa ating everyday skincare. So for our first step guys is maglalagay tayo ng foam cleanser. This one will balance your pH in your skin para hindi siya maging acidic. And it has soothing feeling for your skin. And this one is made by B.LAB. Ayan, Balance of Life Laboratory. And what I love about this one is meron siyang konting grains that it will exfoliate your skin. Ayan, meron siyang grains. Ayan, kung makikita nyo. Meron siyang sobrang konti lang na grains that it will exfoliate a little bit of your skin. I'm going to dump a little bit of my skin, a little bit of water, and I'm going to add cleanser sa aking skin. Ang kagandahan lang nito is meron siyang grains. And it helps me to exfoliate and remove excess oil to my skin. Actually, my type of skin is mixed oily and dry. Ayan, sobrang oily and dry because may mga red spot ako dyan. It means my outer part is dry and dito naman is super oily, especially kapag mainit. So, let's clean our face. Ang amoy nito guys is matcha talaga, matcha. And then guys, you're just going to wash it with water. Ayan. Ayan guys, idadump ko lang yung aking towel para hindi ma-scratch yung ating skin. Next step guys, we have Essence Toner from Pyongkang. This one is one of my favorite toner. Ayan siya guys. And what I love about this one, hindi siya ganun ka-watery. Para siyang may pagka-smooth yung feeling niya. And I really love this one. And what I love about this one guys, kasi medyo hindi pantay-pantay yung aking skin color. And this one helped me a lot to unify my skin color. So I'm going to apply this with cotton. Ayan. Very little lang. Yung sa center lang. Ayan. Ayan. And I'm just going to apply it gently to my skin. Ayan, kung napapansin nyo, lalong-lalo na dito, is it's more darker than here. Kaya dito ko madalas na ina-apply. And also, nagda-dry din kasi yung dyan ko. Kasi mas natatamaan siya ng sunlight compare sa pisngi. And dito. And also yung nose nyo guys, huwag nyo kalimutan. And then guys, the next thing that we have is itong Serum na Bring the Light Serum. It's one of my favorite serums, especially on summer because it gives me a lot of... Binibigyan niya ako ng refreshing feeling. Ayan, after kong niligay itong serum. And I like because the texture is a little bit creamy. Ayan, and maganda din yung packaging niya. It's really convenient. So ayan, ganyan yung texture niya guys. Creamy, white. And it gives a little bit nourish to your skin. To our skin. Ito guys, ang magagawa nito is magiging glowy yung skin nyo. Kung naghahanap kayo ng serum for your skin, if you want to have glowy skin, this one is perfect for you. Actually, last year pa to, hindi ko siya maubos kasi I love this one. And minsan, may dumarating na ibang serum. I just want to try them. But bumabalik pa din ako dito because I really want glowy skin, especially on summer. Ayaw natin ng dry skin, te. So, ayan. So, ayan guys. Instant glow. instant glow sa ating skin. Ayan. Kung makikita nyo. Next step naman guys is itong nutrition cream from Pyungkangul also. It comes with the package. Kasama na yung toner and kasama na itong deep cleansing foam. Ayan. Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung aking haul, ayan, magkakasama yung tatlo na yan. But, yes, I'm going to put my cream and this is the last step. Konting-konti lang guys because, ayan, konti lang guys. Ang kagandahan kasi ng cream guys, pinoprotect niya yung skin mo from the pollution and it keeps your skin hydrated. And then, I'm just going to top yung aking face para pumasok yung mga ingredients, main ingredients sa aking skin. Ayan. Ginaganyan ko lang siya. And then, I'm just going to massage it upwards. Para iwas wrinkles tayo. Dahil malapit na tayong mag-30s, we have to take care of our skin. If you want to look young, start doing it young. And we're done! So, ayan guys, tapos na yung ating skincare routine. And as you can see, nag-add siya ng glow sa ating skin. Kahit ganito lang tayo, hindi na tayo kailangan mag-makeup. But, look, sobrang glowy ng ating skin. Sing ko lang to. Lalo na maaraw ngayon, maganda, glowy skin lang. Walang masyadong makeup. So, ayan. And we are ready. And we are ready for our day. Ayan. Everything that I mentioned are from YesStyle guys. I do have 10% discount if you want to use all these products. Ayan. Ito yung code ko guys. You can use this. And ayan. I'm super happy with my skincare routine. Ayan. Sobrang glowy. Ayan. I really love Korean products. Kasi most of them are naturally most of them have natural ingredients, so I really like them. And hindi ako nagkaka-allergy or red spot by using this product. So ayan guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.